Alrighty, friends. Today we are going to look at a couple of word problems that, sometimes they'll give us data and then they'll make us, or they'll ask us, they'll ask us to choose the table that goes with the data that they give us. So this says 14 schools participated in a track meet. The numbers below represent the number of students on each team. Okay, so what's our first step whenever we are doing a stem and leaf plot? Because that's what they're asking us, right? It says which stem and leaf plot summarizes the data correctly. Well, instead of trying to match this data to these different plots, the best way to go about this is to make a stem and leaf plot for this and then go back and see which one matches the one that I did. Okay? So what's our first step? We need to list the numbers in order from least to greatest. So what's the smallest number on here? 14, right? Hold on, I'm focusing. Focus. Okay, 14. So I'm going to cross it off, knot it up here, 14. All right, what's next? 15. Cross it off. What's next? Well, what is next? 23 is next. And then what? Oops, sorry, I missed one. 20. Missed 20. See, this is super easy because if you go back and you miss one, then you just add it and then you add the next one. Okay, then looks like 32. And then 33. And then 36. And then 38. Oops, 38. And then, oops, forgot to cross that one off. 38 and then 45. Cross it off. And then 50. Then 56. Then 59. And 44. Oh, did we forget 44? We did. That's okay. 44 can go right here. 44, and then 45, 50, 56, 59, 67. All right. So now I've got all those numbers. Now I need to make my actual stem and leaf plot. Okay? So how that's going to look is I'm going to, actually make my table. Right? This is my stem. This is my leaves. So the first 10 that I need to do is 1. So I'm going to underline every time I see a new 10. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what leaves go with the tens, the teens? 4 and 5. All right. Which ones go with the 20s? 20 and 23. So 0 ones and 3 ones. What about 3? 2, 3, 6, 8. 2, 3, 6, 8. And then 4s is just 4 and 5. 44, 45. And then the 50s is 0, 6, 9. And the 60s is just 7 ones. All right, so there's our stem and leaf plot. I'm going to let you check this out and see, is there any stem and leaf plot that you see that matches the one that we did? You see any that match the one that we did? What do you see? It looks like A is the winner. We're going to put A and circle it. A is the winner. Awesome blossom. Okay, let's go ahead and work out this one down here at the bottom too. So I'm going to do a line like that, and we're going to do the second problem at the bottom half. So let's read it. It says, there are a total of 24 pies at the bakery. The dot plot shows the number of chocolate, lemon, cherry, and coconut pies. So then it says, which of the following shows the number of apple pies at the bakery? Well, what's our first step when we see a dot plot? We need to do what? What do we need to do? We need to label the top, right? So is there a key? Do you see a key anywhere that says each dot equals 2 or 3 or 5 or 10? I don't see one. So all I'm going to do is count these as 1. So chocolate is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Lemon is 1, 2, 3, 4. Cherry is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And coconut is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I don't see anything for apple. So that leads me to believe there's no apple pies, but I want you to look at this problem. There's something really important in here that tells us exactly what we need to do. Exactly what we need to do. You see it? Let's read it one more time, because usually whenever I don't understand what to do next on a problem, the best thing to do is just to read it again, right? Read it as many times as you need to. So it says, there are a total of 24 pies at the bakery. The dot plot shows the number of chocolate, lemon, and cherry and coconut pies. Did you hear anything important in there? What about this right here? There are a total of 24 pies. That's extremely important. So if I know that these are all of the other pies, I need to figure out how many pies that these add up to, and then I can figure out the difference is going to be the apple. All right? So let's do that on our paper. Okay, so I see that we've got, just can't grab my marker over here. Okay, we've got 5 chocolate, 4 lemon, 6 cherry, and 5 coconut. Well, what is 5 plus 4? 9. What's 6 plus 5? 11. What's 9 plus 11? 18. Okay? 18. So now I know how many pies that the other ones add up to, and I know that there were a total of 24 pies. Well, if I were to draw a strip diagram maybe to show my thinking, I would see that, you know, all of the other pies add up to 18, and I know the total number of pies is going to equal what? 24. Well, this is a part whole situation we've got going on. So how am I going to find this other part, the apple pies? A for apple. I need to subtract. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's do 24, which is my whole, minus my part, which is 18. 4 minus 8? Can't do it. Got to borrow from the 2. 2 becomes a 1. 4 becomes a 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is what? 6 what? 6 apple pies. Well, which of those answer choices down at the bottom shows us 6 apple pies? Did we add wrong? Did I count wrong? 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. I did. 9 plus 11 is 20. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Miss Hargrove. Miss Hargrove. Goodness gracious. I don't know what I was thinking. My brain is not on right now. So let's do 24 minus 20. See, these things happen. If you got to my situation where I was just at, well, obviously if there's not 6 pies anywhere, then I would see that, you know, I made a mistake. So let's go back and fix the mistake. Let's do 24 minus 20. Where is my head today? Okay, 4 minus 0 is 4. So it's 4 apple pies. What is this business? None of that. 4 apple pies. Goodness gracious. All right, guys. Well, and which one does that look like? H, right? Right here. Go ahead and put H for me. All right. Okay. Thank you for bearing with me while my brain was not working. I will see you in the morning.